yakwazi ukuthi ke it get on stage ibe motivated ngendlela ukuthi igcine ikwazi ukumukela ke iaward kanye nomama ka AKA stage. That was marvelous. Bahamba futhi bayithumeni ka AKA Mazulu. Nani nina naziyo ukuthi umlando uthini kuyo yonke into. Uma amakhalathi nabelungu bekwazi uku-acknowledge isiko ngalendlela. Nina nithi nina nilinda uJesu. Umndeni walapha uhambe wayithuleni ka AKA wawugila izimanga. Leyo nto leyo siyayiphakamisa inkulu futhi siyasoze sakhohlwa yona. Well done ndini AKA ukuthi nihambe nethuleni lakhe namisele izinto lezo-4. Yinto ke thina njengabantu bakwaZulu ebesilindele ku DJ Tira. Hawu DJ Tira. I'm highly disappointed in you. Makoya. Berry. Nomchama wakho losifusisa wona umfowabo wesabana. Ngithi mina kuwe mfowethu. Wokwamukela nje. Izizwe bangabe sesikudlulile noma uzenze izinto kube khona izinto nje okwazi ukuthi singabi ngawo. Ngicabanga ukuthi lento liyafana nama-drugs lawo eniwadlayo. Isiningene ngendlela yokuthi awukwazi ukubona omunye umuntu ngaphandle kwakho. DJ Tira, you're out of order. You were supposed to do what you have said kumngcwabeni kamampintsha. Uyangithi ngithini DJ Tira? Emngcwabeni kamampintsha lapha na wakhuluma amagama asenza sakholelwa ukuthi umuntu kanti uyinja umgodoyi. Lapho uthi khona amavoti akho Ukhozi FM kwi-song of the year awaye kumampintsha. Kanti uxhaphaza umndeni kamampintsha, uxhaphaza industry yekwaito, uxhaphaza i-industry yokhozi FM. You reminded me of your wrongdoings in 2016. How cruel you are. DJ Tira, you're cruel. My wife, Florida Gray, was the part of your entity, Afrotemate. Do you remember? Ukuthi wenza ntira. You remember? After ukuthi mina wathatha into engahlangene wayihlanganisa. Wathatha into kaFan Dam yokuthi mina ngalwela ukuthi this is a golden opportunity for Maskandi to be on top of the map. I can never sacrifice, I can never compromise irregardless of ukuthi khona ingoma eshisayo nengashisi neshisa less neshisa whatsoever, but I manage to make sure that this is an opportunity for us to conquer. Even ngisho abatswana nabapeti ngisho wofike ePitoli babethi ke ini fandam kayini kini fandam kodwa wena ngenxa ukuthi wangizondela ukuthi mina ngenza show yokuthi ufandam uyawina wangizonda wazazonda ngisho umkami wayesekampanini yakho Tira unecala ngisho emazulwini ngisho emadlozini ngoMgolo unecala ngiyakutshela namhlanje DJ Tira, you are full of rubbish and you were not supposed to do that. I'm not going to tell more, but I'm going to just say the few. Florida Gray got an opportunity after ingoma ayenza the Kings of the Weekends ebizwa kuthiwa crazy. If someone can Google Kings of the Weekends crazy njengamanje alalele ngoma. After that AKA wafonela wena wafonela lo mpala losidudla loyihlathe enkulu kuthiwa we Kings of the Weekends lona hayi lo sinoko lona umunye ngathi uplambi kanjani yabo ngoba bahlukela abantu bazwana ngoba bengafane okunesinoko okuhlakaniphile kunesithutha manje ke bathi mabehlangene laba bantu wafonela labo bafonela nawe wena Tira bathi badinga uFlorida Gray ukuthi abe the part of AKA what who is this young girl that is so brilliant. I need this girl in my project. You have denied Florida Gray an opportunity to have a song with AKA because of your ego, because of your attitude, because of you are doing something applies to what you have done. How can you fight with someone who's normal? It means you are not a normal human being. I'm telling you right now, DJ Tira, you are full of shit, you are bullshit.